Welcome back, everybody, to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip. Today, we've got some exciting things happening in the world of crypto. We're going to go over some of the stories that broke this week, some of the big updates for Crypto.com, announcing the date officially for the Manecity game, and releasing a trailer today for this game, showing people that have been excited about this for the last couple months exactly what gameplay is going to look like, what kind of rewards we can start to earn in that. We're going to take a look at some of the NFTs, where those floor prices are at, where we might be going as Bitcoin's heating up today. Statements are being made. Institutions are FOMOing, it seems, into crypto right now, which is very, very good to see. Folks, a lot's happening. Things are pretty good. We're still in a bear market, but guys, we are moving up right now, which is great. $30,000, not a make or break moment, but a key level. We've been seeing us kind of bounce right off the bottom of this for last couple days. If we can stay above $28,000 and change, we're looking pretty good. But guys, at the end of the day, the Bitcoin halving is coming up. So in between now and then, anything is possible. I don't think we're breaking past all-time highs, but we could go up, we could come back down. In the meantime, great time for accumulation. We've had a really great opportunity, folks, for accumulation over the last several months. But these stories that are breaking today, absolutely spectacular. What a week we've had, guys. For those of you that don't know, for those of you that are newer to the channel, we decided to give away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to our subscribers at 10,000 subscribers on the channel. One lucky subscriber will be winning that giveaway today. In order to qualify for the giveaway, first off, you need to be a subscriber. Second off, you need to be paying attention. And third, if you were paying attention, and I'll still give you guys the chance through this live stream, all you gotta do is comment, be a subscriber on our last live stream. We're going to auto pick one person randomly who commented, not a reply, not a bot. We're filtering out the bots. Trust me. Not a bot, not a reply. It has to be a comment on the previous live stream. So I'll show you guys that link in the Twitter throughout this video. We will be announcing that. I will call the banker, quote, Black C, at the end of the stream during our QA, and he will present the winner to me via text. And from there, I will tell you guys. So buckle up. Let's get into it, guys. Let's talk some crypto today. Crypto's going a little wild, guys. Smash up like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Got the Crow fam in the chat. Francisco, Just Another Sushi, Nazar, Zachary Brooks, everybody. Tej, good to see you. Reggie. We got the crew, guys. Texas Crypto. Welcome, everybody. Benny, Blue Eyes, of course. Shy Sox fan for life. Let's hop in, folks. Right now, the overall crypto is a little more flat, I guess, today than it was yesterday. A lot of big news this week. Right now, sitting at $1.17 trillion market cap. Of course, guys, just been bragging about this one lately. I mean, look, we said we'd bounce right off $1 trillion. We said there was a strong chance. Here you go. We had the bounce. There's a chance we come back down to it, guys. But right now, the S&P 500 is looking strong. Traditional markets looking strong. Federal Chair Jerome Powell came out, said they're going to pause the interest rates. Maybe 2 more potential interest rates coming. But markets are moving up. We could come back down, but right now markets are moving up. And a beautiful bounce this was, which we called. So if you've been watching these price levels, you would have had a little bit better buying opportunity just based on some of the shots that we were calling here. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, guys, but we can speculate together, right? Bitcoin currently at $29,977, up 17.24% over the last 7 days. Let's just take that in for a second. Tastes pretty good. 17% gains for Bitcoin. That's what can happen, guys. It's wild. We were up at 30K, back down to 25, back up to 30. This is how this works. If you look at the last bull market, it was wild. I mean, specifically in the last bull market, it was so crazy. I mean, we came up to the highs. If you guys weren't here for this, it was a wild ride. Up to 60, back down to 30, back up to 60. So something like that could happen again. And matter of fact, looking at this right now, I mean, look at the previous bull market. And this is one that Black Sea talks about a lot. Look what happened in this previous bull market. We kind of had this fake out from the bottom, moving up. This could be that moment. We could come back down, guys, and then kind of move up. So anything's possible. We don't want to, put the cart before the horse, right? We don't want to get ahead of ourselves. But if you're dollar cost averaging and you're holding for the long term, you're in a very good spot right now. You must be feeling like a genius. because frankly, you are. If you guys are on the forefront of this technology, if you're on the forefront of crypto and you're here watching this content, then you are looking to make some money, and you've poised yourself to do a great job doing that. But just beware, if you're a leverage trader, very, very risky to be buying, opening along right at this floor, touching on the bottom of the resistance at $30,000. Dangerous, of course. If we break through back to price discovery mode, you could say, not quite price discovery mode, but just breaking up past this resistance, could give us a move to 35, maybe 40K. But then from there, can something like this happen? Absolutely. We could kind of come trace back down. So it's just more accumulation, guys. If you're buying at 25K, you're happy. If you're buying at 30K today and we get back up to 60K, you're going to be ecstatic that you were buying at these prices. And same thing goes for all the other coins. Ethereum included in this. Binance coin, of course, which is still quite a bit down below the $50 billion market cap it was at for a while. XRP's looking poised pretty well if they can win the SEC case right now, currently sitting at a $25 billion market cap. Guys, I did a video on XRP earlier. If you didn't check it out, I highly suggest you do. Let me know if you like that content, if you guys like when I do some content on some other coins. But we do love to talk about Crocoin quite a bit on this channel. Ranked number 35 right now at a 1.5 almost billion dollar market cap, $1.428 billion market cap, up 8% over the last 7 days, which compared to X, it's a little bit less, which compared to Binance coin, it's a little bit more. So all things considered for Crow, doing pretty well. Rest of the crypto market, I mean, if we look at the top gainers for the last 7 days, Pepe is leading the charge right now. Absolutely exploding. So is Stacks, guys. If you don't know what Stacks is, you should definitely look into it. An excellent layer 2 solution for Bitcoin. A lot of people are talking about the BRC20 tokens lately. I've got a few myself. We did some videos on that. That's a big mover for a reason, guys. People are building on Bitcoin, and Stacks is kind of the portal to some of that. So something to check out. Not financial advice, but something to check out. Optimism's doing pretty well. Kava is doing pretty well, which is another chain, another option there you can see on DeFi Llama when you look at competitors to Cronos. So crypto's looking pretty decent, folks. Bitcoin dominance, though, is very strong, and that's for a lot of reasons, guys. Well, one, Federal Chair Jerome Powell came out and said that Bitcoin and crypto has staying power. Bitcoin has staying power as an asset class. Bitcoin as an asset class, well, what does that mean? He means crypto overall. He didn't say crypto, he said Bitcoin, which means altcoins as well, and stablecoins. He had some comments. We do see payments, stablecoins as a form of money. So this is Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve head, speaking right now, the chair of the Federal Reserve. That's pretty significant, guys. This is the man who's essentially been tanking the markets with all these interest rate hikes. Well, he paused them. Now he's talking bullish thoughts on crypto. Very interesting timing, though, right, folks? Because at the end of the day, what happened last week? I'll tell you what happened, guys. Institutions started to FOMO into crypto. Chris Marsliak sees it. He's been tweeting about it, which is great. Obviously, somebody putting out the Crow Fam ad for the F1 racing. A lot of good things for Crypto.com, but it's getting retweeted. It's being talked about on Twitter like crazy right now. And crypto enthusiasts are wrong to target Gary Gensler, says Cointelegraph. I'm going to talk about BitBoy Crypto for a second. We're going to talk more about him at the end of this video. Very controversial the last 24 hours for him. But one thing he does say is he calls Cointelegraph Cointella-lie. Guys, this is a terrible article. I mean, we're wrong to target Gary Gensler. Laws in the United States are the problem. Cryptocurrency advocates should focus on changing them, and in the meantime, consider moving to the European Union. What a dumb thought, really. I mean, what a dumb thought. I mean, yeah, I'm going to pick up my entire life and move to Europe. Now, for some people, that might be the option. Maybe that's a dream to you. Maybe you could do that, and if so, and that works for you, that's great. A lot of us don't want to uproot our lives and just move to another country. But they are right. The laws are the problem. But Gary Gensler chooses the Securities and Exchange Commission laws, guys. He is helping make laws. So this is a very dumb article by Mark Lurie. Mark Lurie, do a little bit of research. Be curious to see how much crypto this guy who wrote this article even has at this point. But Gary Gensler is clearly one of the biggest enemies of crypto. So why are we wrong to target him? He's targeting us. This is a dumb article. But just, why are people defending Gary Gensler? He's been attacking Coinbase. He's been attacking Binance. He's been attacking a lot of different people. And, it's interesting because the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, some of the biggest leaders in the world when it comes to finance, talking about banning crypto may not be effective in the long run. Well, duh, guys, it's an emerging technology. It's very, very popular. It's very, very efficient. It's very cost effective. It's very fast. And it's actually very easy to use. And it's only going to get easier to use as mainstream adoption happens. You see, guys, as these institutions start to get into crypto, there's going to be more interfaces that are going to be simple to use for your parents, for your grandparents, even for children. I don't know if we need children in crypto at this point, but I'm just saying, guys, the solutions that are going to come to crypto are going to make it so easy to utilize crypto as a form of payment, use platforms and applications that are built on the blockchain through these interfaces that are going to be so easy to use, as simple as an application on your iPhone. We're not quite there yet. We're getting there, guys. 10 years ago, it was a completely different story. There was barely anything. It was Poloniex. It was Bittrex only. You know, there was only some of these very, very vague, you know, interesting, big learning curve, tough to use exchanges, guys. We've come a long way, and we're still going to continue a long way. And the IMF sees that. Like, they've talked so negatively about crypto. Even they're flipping their script on crypto right now because, guys, Latin America, the Caribbean, they're getting into it. So many countries are getting into crypto right now. We see China, Hong Kong becoming a hub for crypto right now. Very, very significant. And even the Wall Street Journal is coming out and writing an article about this huge partnership that we talked about earlier this week. But Citadel, Fidelity, Schwab starting operations in EDX exchange. It says the EDX markets won't directly handle customers' digital assets or directly serve institutional investors, but it is a step in the right direction. This just shows you guys that the Citadel, Fidelity, the largest asset managers in the world, are bullish on crypto. Obviously, BlackRock looking to do an ETF. And here's the deal, guys. Look at this, another article by Wall Street Journal. Bitcoin bonanza on tap if BlackRock ETF is approved. Grayscale owners could see a double benefit, and Coinbase would get a shot in the arm. Grayscale, guys, may be selling their Bitcoin to Fidelity, which would be very good for Grayscale at this point. Bitcoin bonanza from a BlackRock ETF? Absolutely. And they even mentioned that Coinbase would get a great shot in the arm. But what are they talking about here? Well, lately, guys, Coinbase launched back in April 20th, April 19th, no, beginning of April in 2021, guys. I actually got in on the IPO for this. Since then, it has come way, way down. But what did I do, guys? I dollar cost average in a little bit. I bought the dip a little bit, but I'm holding my bags mostly. I bought these in my Roth IRA, so I took a big hit. But I'm a hodler. I believe in the future of crypto, and I believe that Coinbase is going to succeed. Sure, they're going through a lawsuit with the SEC. But, you know, if the Bitcoin ETF gets approved, that's going to justify everything that Coinbase is doing, and they will establish themselves as the biggest institutional player in terms of an exchange in the United States. Because Bittrex is out. Binance is out of here. KuCoin's in here a little bit. Crypto.com's in here a little bit. The Crypto.com exchange isn't launching yet in the U.S., so they've really got a really great position. This stock could go up. Talk about a shot in the arm for coin. That's the Bitcoin bonanza. Bitcoin-related stocks will go up too. Looking back at Riot Blockchain, another mining stock for crypto that I have, this one was way up in the bull market, came back down, and it's starting to move up as well. Also probably going to benefit from the Bitcoin bonanza. But at the end of the day, guys, the S&P 500 right now is doing very well, moving up. If you look at the all-time chart for the S&P 500, at least back to 1993, look at how we are moving up, guys. We are trying to get back into price discovery mode for the S&P 500, which is going to be fantastic for the U.S. economy. No guarantees that we do it, guys. We could get like a double top kind of thing. That could certainly happen. Or if you look back at this moment, you know, we could get something like this where we just kind of break through, make a new peak, come back down. We'll have to see how it plays out, guys. There might be some interest rates coming still. So if they do come out and the FOMC meeting comes out down the road and they raise the interest rates, I wouldn't be surprised if we get skittish again. Bitcoin could come down. The S&P 500 could come down. Let's set some realistic expectations, folks. Let's set some realistic expectations. But I think there's a lot of upside for a lot of folks that are getting into the markets over the next 2 years. Really going to have a lot of fun, I think. By the way, guys, we are doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so don't miss it. Just to give you guys a little reminder, here are the details to the giveaway. I want everybody to get a chance. We will do this at the end of this video. It is coming. We'll pick the winner. We will announce it. We will give them until the next live stream to claim their prize, and we will be doing this through either email or through DMs on Twitter. We're not going to give the physical Bitcoin away on the stream. We're going to pick the winner. We're going to announce it. And then you guys got to you guys got to reach out to us. You guys got to prove that you are the winner. We're going to need to ask you a couple things just to prove it. No identification or anything like that. I just need proof, screenshots essentially, that you are subscribed to the channel, you know, and that you guys did the comment. I mean, we'll know if you did the comment because we're doing an auto generator from that. But I'm going to go over to Crypto Kip Tweets profile. So go to my Twitter, guys, or the Crypto Report Twitter. But you can find me on Twitter at Crypto Kip Tweets, okay? At Crypto Kip Tweets. Make sure you spell it right. Don't get scammed out there, guys. I'm verified. I've got the orange icon. Yes, yes, I'm part of the orange army. But you go to my tweet from 18 hours ago. It's my retweet here. Here you go. You just got to click on this video right here. Matter of fact, you're better off just going to _crypto report, checking out our tweet up at the top of the page. It was our last retweet. There's a video there. All you got to do is go to the video and you need to comment on it. And we will draw a lucky winner from the comment section at the end of this stream. Coming up in just a little bit, guys. So don't miss that. Giving away money is pretty fun. I'm pretty excited about it, guys. We want to get back to the community. Speaking of community, the Crow fam's heating up. People are getting excited for good reason. Why? Because Crypto.com is announcing the Manecity game. They are saying, mark your calendars for 30th of August, 2023. The Manecity trailer is out, guys. I don't want to play it for copyright purposes, but you can kind of see some of the different things. Claim rewards, leaderboard. You can see it's kind of like a Sims kind of thing where you can actually build like furniture. You can build sports cars, build games, compete against each other. So it looks pretty cool. Looks like the rewards aren't huge, but, and that's kind of what you see here. Gold Yugi said it well. I mean, I looked at it myself. Looks like you can earn 250 crow, maybe 1,000 crow, maybe 50 crow. But hey, if crow's at $1, depending how long the seasons are and how often they give rewards, and if you're good, you know, maybe you can win a couple $100. We'll have to see if the price action of crow goes up. Maybe you redeem it for less crow as the price of crow goes up. Let me know what your thoughts are, but this is pretty cool. And now some people are starting to wonder, okay, well, what's going to go on with the NFTs? So if we can go over to crypto.com NFT real quick, let's take a peek at the NFT floor prices while this metaverse is launching. For those of you guys that don't know anything about this game or haven't been paying attention to it, we've been talking about it quite a bit on this channel. And what happened, guys, is the Loaded Lions were one of the first NFTs that Crypto.com really got behind. And then you had from there the Cyber Cubs that were revealed. And now you have the land. The land looks like it's going up just a little bit. If it's $56 floor price for a Dunes, which is the least rare property in the Loaded Lions game. $3,800 floor price for the most rare. So it's kind of hanging in right where it's been. Nothing's crazy is happening with that. Let's see where the Loaded Lions are at right now. Loaded Lions sitting at 1.4K for a floor, 1.3. So that's right about where that's been. And if we can look at the backpacks real quick. Explorer packs. Explorer packs. Why am I missing this? Expedition packs. There it is. Expedition gear. Expedition gear. Right now, floor of the lowest one is $9 and the most rare currently sitting at $668. That's holding pretty nicely, guys. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. You know, I'm holding quite a few backpacks. I'm holding like, I don't know, 20-something backpacks, 20-something plots of land. I didn't buy any backpacks. I just got airdropped them all for free because I ended up having all this land. I minted a lot of land. I bought some on the aftermarket a little bit. But I'm just hanging in there, guys. I'm excited for this. I think that it could impact the price of Crow. So that's cool. A little update for you guys. So I feel a obligation to just kind of give some thoughts on this. BitBoy Crypto making waves in crypto. Obviously, you guys know that he launched the Bencoin. You probably know that I am a Bencoin holder. I intend to continue to hold it despite some of the controversy that happened. One thing for sure, today, the Ben community Telegram has moved. Why? Because he actually lost access to it. Officially, it never got transferred from Ben.eth, the guy who sold Ben Armstrong BitBoy Crypto the Ben tokens, moved the coin over to him. The Telegram never came with it. Ben Armstrong blames Ben ETH. Ben ETH blames Ben Armstrong. They're just blaming each other. They're just talking all about Ben, calling each other scammers right now. It's really sloppy, guys. It's really sad, and it's really pathetic on both parties, honestly. I just wish they'd lay off each other. I don't think that it's healthy for either of these coin holders in the community to just have these leaders of these projects fudding each other's projects. They agreed that they wouldn't, and now they're just fudding each other's projects. But what you could say about it is bad news is good news, because if you look here, guys, Pepe is doing pretty well, but so was Bencoin. Bencoin was up here a minute ago. Looking at Ben, it was up there earlier today. Bencoin was doing pretty well until what happened? BitBoy opened his mouth, guys. BitBoy opened his mouth, and look what he did. I mean, it's just bad PR. It's bad PR. Now, I still believe in BitBoy. BitBoy, if some chance you see this, look, I support you. I support the project. I love the initiative. But cool it with the comments, man. You know, the comments on Twitter are killing the vibe on the pump. I mean, this thing was pumping beautifully, did a great job going to Dubai, and then just came out talking about how he pretended like the cartel was the backers for the Bencoin community. He put this all on Twitter, guys. I'm not going to take you through all the tweets, but BitBoy Crypto came out and said that he fooled Ben ETH to get the $2 million in Ben coins back for the people. He lied about getting backers in the cartel, and Ben ETH fell for it. And Ben ETH is saying, like, why are you bragging about that? And Ben ETH is also looking like he might be a little bit sketchier than maybe we once anticipated. That being said, these projects were trying to pump up. Ben token was on a big move. Well, where's the PSYOP project? It looks right now a little more bullish than the Ben community, and that's kind of interesting. Ben token, I think, goes a longer distance in the bull market if BitBoy can just get his PR together. But if you look at the PSYOP token right now and you see where this is at, guys, it's moving up. It is moving up right now, so that's pretty decent to see. If you're a PSYOP holder, even if Ben.eth is a different individual, I don't think he's a scammer. Look at the Loyal project is going up. At the end of the day, he did release the PSYOP DEX. So right now, this is actually available. This exchange is live. You can swap on it. So he has followed through on his word for the most part, except both BitBoy and Ben.eth didn't follow through on their word to each other. And so that's just not so great to see. Not very healthy for the crypto community. Not really what I wanted to see, but if you guys are wondering where my head's at and what I intend to do based on some of this news, based on what's going on, I'm just holding these tokens, guys. Honestly, I think the Loyal and the PSYOP community tokens are a hedge against the Ben tokens, and I think the Ben tokens are a hedge against the Loyal tokens. But to be honest with you guys, when Bitcoin goes up, and Bitcoin's going up right now, I think all these coins are going to be bullish. I just think that's what it is. It's really dramatic, but crypto is just wild. I mean, arguably, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Pepe have no reason to be big. If there's hype behind a project, if there's attention behind a project, then there's a chance that money flows into those projects, especially as people start to get rich off of Bitcoin, off of Ethereum, and then look for gains in the alts. Anything can pump. And these projects, including Cronos, guys, all have very, very low market caps. These memes and these attention community tokens, Ben, PSYOP, Loyal, they have very low market caps, so there's potentially a lot more upside just in X gains. But CRO is a very good bet, in my opinion. That's not financial advice, but here we are. We're bouncing off this beautiful, beautiful pocket. Guys, I'll just tell you this, though. I need to see CRO, kind of break above this green line and above this blue line. We need to break above 7 cents, guys. If we can break above 7 cents, that would be beautiful. There is a chance, guys, that we kind of come here and do this. Something like that. I mean, maybe not even that drastic upward. But what I'd prefer to see is us just kind of come up and through. So kind of two options there. In my mind, there's also the chance, obviously, that guys, neither of these happen. Who can predict the future for these things? There's a chance for sure, guys. I just got to get rid of these real quick. Why can't I get rid of these? Anyway, there's a chance, guys, that we kind of just do one of these and trickle to the side and then finally come up in the bull market. Because at the end of the day, when we look at it, when we see the overall market cap, let's do this. Looking at the overall market cap, that's looking pretty tasty right now, guys. I got this big blue line drawn up all the way into the multi-trillions for the market. I'm going to go zoom in a little bit, actually, for you guys, down to the weekly candles so we can see some of this. I drew some lines recently. So far, we are holding true to those lines very beautifully. I do think we have a strong chance of passing through 1.3 trillion. Bitcoin right now just trying to break above this blue line, struggling to do it. Very similar to the pattern that I have drawn here. I wouldn't be surprised to see us even come down to this green line, come back up. There's a chance we kind of just break straight through. But when this happens, guys, and this overall market cap can break past its previous all-time high, which really, we're very close, guys. We are very, very close to it. It's a 150% gains back to the previous all-time high. That's price discovery mode, folks. If we can get there for the overall market, we could be at $9 trillion in no time. And that would be spectacular for a lot of holders out there, a lot of altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Crocoin, and a lot of it, guys. The lot of it, really. Let me see what I got going on here. I got to reshuffle the deck for you, folks. What else we got? No, that's all the stories I really have for the day. I mean, a lot of people already know what's going on with a lot of these stories. Not a lot of new news today outside of the crazy breaking news that we've had over the last couple days. It's been an awesome week. So let me know what your thoughts are, guys, in the comments. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm going to text Black Sea real quick to see if he's ready. I'm in the Q&A. So, guys, leave some questions for me. And as soon as Black Sea texts me, then we will get going. Let's see what we got. Oh, he's going to pull a name. All right, guys. Last chance. Like, you got seconds right now. He is pulling a name. All right, folks. The name is being pulled. We are deciding the winner of this. What you'll have to do, guys, is you will have to go to one of our Twitters. Just go to the Crypto Report Twitter. Why don't you just go to the main Crypto Report Twitter? You can try me on Crypto Kip tweets. You can, why don't you do one of those and just DM us. I need you guys to send proof that you are a subscriber. I need to see proof that you're a subscriber. We'll know if you commented, but we will need you to claim that prize. If you don't claim it before next live stream, we're going to redraw on the next live stream. So we'll see how we do it. We will give them a couple days to do it. We'll keep these going on the live streams. And we are pulling it right now, guys. Drum roll. It's not there yet. Still waiting. Still waiting. We're drawing, guys. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to go to the comments while he is working on that right now. Let's see what we got going on. Okay. A lot of talk, a lot of excitement about the Manecity, hoping the backpack price go up. I think the prices on the bags might go up. It's hard to say. But, folks, here we go. The winner of the $1,000 worth of Bitcoin giveaway is Gadut. Gadut. If you can see this, you are the winner. I don't know who you are, Gadut, but Gadut, you have until, congratulations, you have until next Tuesday to claim this. In all fairness to Gadut, whoever you might be, what I will be doing is I will be posting on our Twitter, I will be posting on our YouTube page, and we will be doing a community post, so you will have a chance to claim that. You can even hit us in the comment on that community post. So hopefully, guys, if you're not Gadut, hopefully Gadut doesn't claim it. If he does, congratulations, Gadut. You now will be getting sent $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, give or take a couple bucks, just because the price is going to fluctuate for Bitcoin, but $995, $1,005 worth of Bitcoin. So congratulations, Gadut. That is coming your way. Sir, ma'am, whoever you might be, congratulations. And don't lose hope, guys. If you didn't win this giveaway, we have more coming. Lots more prizes and giveaways to come to the loyal community members that you guys have. Couple of you guys were, I know a lot of people wanted it. I hope you guys get some more giveaways in the future. We'll do some more in the future, guys. So good, dude. Congratulations, sir. Very, very excited for you. Is he in the chat? Is he even in the chat? He's not even here. Come on. You know, in the future, guys, what I'm going to do, I just couldn't do that for this giveaway. In the future, though, guys, when we do this giveaway, we are going to require that you are on the live stream. All right. So for the next giveaway, that's going to be the clause, because I want to reward the loyalty. At the time that we were planning this giveaway, we just didn't have the foresight on that. So I'm sorry to all you loyal people that are in the live stream chats every day, but that was a shot for all subscribers, guys. Any subscriber could have gotten in on that. You didn't have to watch the live streams to get in on that. So everybody had a chance. We'll do more of those. We'll do more for just the loyal folks that are watching these things every single time we go live. Every time we do a video, we want to reward you guys because we appreciate every single one of you. The support we get from this community is absolutely incredible. I'm so excited for the next bull market, guys. I'm so excited for you, for us all to make quite a bit of money as these markets start to go up, guys. At the end of the day, this could be absolutely a massive, massive move. The next giveaway is at 25,000 subscribers, but we will be doing more giveaways before 25,000 subscribers. Cash is a little tight for me right now. We set this aside a while ago. I'm trying to buy some more crypto. So it hurts giving away $1,000, but we want to get back. I got a wedding I've been paying for. So after that, you know, we'll put together some more resources for you guys. We'll do some more giveaways before $25,000. That's a promise. That's a promise. I made the promise, guys. And I'm going to say this. We're going to do it to people that are in the live stream too. That is another commitment I'm going to make right now. I think it's a great idea. Not saying it's going to be $1,000. Maybe it's less. Maybe it's more. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see. Spirit and Balance, appreciate you. Thanks for joining, guys. Thanks. That's a new name. I haven't seen you. Good to see you in the comment section, brother. Ron Wilson, good to see you. Ron Wilson says, I haven't seen that name in any of the chats. I know, Ron. I know, man. We're going to reward some loyalty, though. I promise you. I promise you, Ron. Hang in there. There's a lot of money we're going to be making in this bull market, so we'll be giving back for sure. Let's see. Not a real person. Haha. We're going to verify if that's a real person. I promise you that, Red Dragon. I promise you that. Yeah, nobody's heard the name. That's funny. Can I give my thoughts on Pharaoh Protocol? Well, you know, Harris Jod, I haven't looked at Pharaoh Protocol too much. I think it's a DEX. I mean, it looks cool. It's a popular one. You know, it's one of the bigger ones on Cronos. So in that, you know, pretty good, right? Pretty good. It's being a top project on Cronos is pretty significant. So that's nice to see. What else we got? What else we got? For those that might watch James from Invest Answers, I do. Today he started a new segment called Crypto Crow, short for crypto and macro. Now that he's Crow fam, but it's like free advertising for Crow. Yeah, he isn't Crow fam, but he likes Solana a lot. He's interesting. Black Sea likes to watch him a lot. I like him too. He does like these PowerPoints that are very educational, a lot of metrics that are really very complicated for the average crypto person. So I don't like to get into all those, you know, all those crazy metrics. You know, we can speculate on all these different metrics and where the thing's going to go in the interim, right? I just like to have some fun with it, draw some lines, right? You know, I'm not a great technical guy at the charts, but as you can see, as of late, I've been pretty good. I've been pretty good with just, you know, eyeballing the charts, knowing historically what happens in these markets. At the end of the day, my strategy doesn't require a lot of the TA trading type analytics. It's always good to kind of know that for the direction that the market might be going in the short to midterm if you're a trader. But if you're in it for the long term and you're just looking to get out at the top of the bull market or towards the top and get in towards the bottom or on the way up from the bottom, then I don't think that stuff's so necessary. But he is fantastic. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool piece of news. Thanks for sharing, Kid Pro Crow. Appreciate it. Thanks for the message, by the way, Kid Pro Crow. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to respond to you, but he DM'd me on Twitter. Absolutely wonderful message. I just really appreciate the support. You know, I think we got a lot in common. He messaged me, and I just wanted to say that I really appreciate it. I mean, I think I've seen you in all these chats. I respect what you're doing out there, and you're in there every day. You're looking at the news. You're getting the cryptos. everybody that's in these chats, guys, I know you're dedicated to the cause. I know you're dedicated to the cause, to the crypto report, to crypto, to making money in this bull market that's coming up. And I'm excited for you guys. I'm really, really excited for you guys. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. I've been on the stream and never seen a gadoot. Never seen the gadoot. Congratulations, gadoot. Congratulations. Crypto Kip, do you believe in that it's a coincidence that BlackRock kicked off this bull run or backup plan because of Gary Gensler's FUD couldn't bring the price down? No, I don't think it's a coincidence at all. In matter of fact, it's like a 100% certainty that it's not a coincidence, guys. BlackRock is a massive, massive, massive asset manager. $10 trillion under asset management. Fidelity is like the third biggest asset manager in the world, guys. Put this into perspective. They're at like the double-digit billions versus the 10 trillion under management for BlackRock. Guys, BlackRock is a giant. And if you didn't see it the other day on Twitter, just go onto Twitter, search it on Google, BlackRock, insider, leaks, exposed of the recruiting. It's a recruiter for BlackRock talking about how they can buy politicians, how they can buy anything. Anything's buyable. And if they're getting into crypto, they're not going to get into crypto if it's not going to succeed. It's a guarantee at this point. That's not financial advice. But you look at BlackRock going into crypto, and unless they have some demonic plan to crash the market, which is possible, they can afford to lose money and they can afford to buy and then just rip us all off, right? That could happen. But at this point, they've staked their claim. They're saying Bitcoin's the future. Jerome Powell said it too. Jerome Powell comes out after BlackRock launches this ETF proposal. There's like a 80% chance in my mind that ETF is approved by the SEC. And if it's not approved by the SEC, I believe Gary Gensler loses his job because BlackRock won't be happy. And BlackRock is one of the biggest asset managers on planet Earth. So no, Benny, it's absolutely not a coincidence in my mind. There's absolutely no chance that it's a coincidence in my mind. Yeah, it's true. They wouldn't get it in. Wasn't going anywhere. Yeah. Let's see what else I got. Do I think Pharaoh can hit $5? I don't know if that's. Let me see. Let me look at it for you, brother. Let's see what we got for Pharaoh protocol. Pharaoh. I'll pull it up for you here. Let's see where we're at. I'll give you my eyeball TA on Pharaoh protocol. I don't know what's for dinner tonight, by the way, guys. I had some chicken piccata last night. It was pretty good. Had some chicken piccats last night. That was tasty. What do we got tonight? I don't know. I had some pizza the night before. I'm starving, Marvin. Actually, my fiance is at my mother's house right now, hanging out with my sister who just had a baby. And so she's rocking my little niece to sleep right now, which is very sweet. So I might be on my own for dinner tonight. We'll have to see. Here's Pharaoh for you. All-time chart. Looking tough. Do I think Pharaoh can hit $5? No. Sorry. I don't. Not in the next bull run. I don't think it can because $16 million market cap. Let's put this into perspective for you. Here we go. Now let's have some fun. Sorry if I broke your heart, by the way. I didn't mean to be so harsh in saying no to Pharaoh to $5. That's just really bold. I'd like to see Crow at $5 before I see Pharaoh there. Let's just say Pharaoh flipped Cronos. It'd be at $1.54. And I'm just going to go out on a limb. I'm going to say Pharaoh protocol, which is built on Cronos, is not going to flip the market cap of Cronos. So, look, if Cronos goes up to, a $50 billion market cap, $100 billion market cap, up to a $500 billion market cap, then maybe you can see Pharaoh do something up above $1, up above $2-3, maybe, if it's a successful project, that is. But if it were to flip Binance coin, you get $39. It's not going to flip Binance coin though. Again, Pharaoh is one protocol on a chain. Binance is a chain with multiple projects built on it. So anything like that's totally unrealistic, guys. To be honest with you, But, hey, let's just pretend it can get up into the top, I don't know, flip kava, 31x from there. I don't think I don't think these things are going to happen. So maybe $1, $2, I don't know. That's even extremely aggressive. I mean, it might not even hit 50 cents. I mean, it might not even hit 20 cents. It's just so hard to say. This is something I want to tell you guys. Don't hinge your entire crypto portfolio on a couple altcoins, guys. That's a terrible decision. You should be 50% Bitcoin, 25% ETH, 50% ETH, 75% ETH. You should be big time Bitcoin ETH. Bunch of CRO if you want some CRO. Then you get a little percentage of the projects that are built on Cronos. We got to play smart, guys. Look, don't rush it. We don't get rich overnight. Benny Blue Eyes, appreciate the $5 super chat. Now you only owe Fadouk $995 in Bitcoin. Hey, thanks for the super chat, Benny. You're an extremely loyal follower. Thanks for being a mod for us. We really appreciate it. Keeping the chat clean. If any of you guys also want to be mods, and you've seen you around, you might earn it, let me know. We could talk about it. I don't want to have too many mods, but, maybe we'll get a couple more mods. Let me know if you're interested, guys. But I appreciate you, Benny. Thank you very much. So I hope that helped you out on the Pharaoh conversation. Yeah, going to be tough. Yeah. Francisco Gabriel, great comment. BlackRock is greater than Gary Gensler. Absolutely true. 100%. BlackRock's way more important than Gary Gensler will be. BlackRock buys Gary Genslers. BlackRock buys Gary Genslers, folks. Reggie Nuts asks, what's your guess about the end of the Ripple case, and do you think it'll start the bull market if positive? I used to think that it might be the thing that started the bull market, but I'll be honest with you, Reggie. I think that it's going to be exciting for Ripple. I think that it's going to move the rest of the crypto markets up. But I think there's going to be a lot of different things that'll start the bull market. I think we have the first big things right now that are coming with Federal Chair Jerome Powell saying that Bitcoin has staying power. You also see the BlackRock moves. You see the institutions FOMOing in. The Ripple case settling will be a big deal. And I do think that SEC is going to lose. I do think that Gary Gensler's going down. I think Ripple and XRP coin will be going up. So I'm excited for my cousin. My cousin's got a lot of Ripple. He's almost all in on Ripple. So dangerous strategy. Could pay off in the long run. High risk, high reward. It's a strategy, guys. It's not, not always the best, but sometimes that works out. If you have conviction, you did your research, do your own research, all right? Evan Fox in the chat. Crow fam. Good to have you. Good to see you, brother. What else we got going on, folks? Harris, I got 100K Crow. I want to buy either Velo or Pharaoh. Can't decide. Thoughts on Velo then? Let's see what's going on with Velo. Let's see. I don't know what's going on with Velo either. Not looking too much at those alts right now on the Cronos chain. I'll be honest with you guys. I don't even know if that's a Cronos chain project. Velo. The Velo is looking low. Look, guys, if crypto goes up, if the market caps get to trillions, these little altcoins, these things could make big moves, but very, very high risk. $22 million market cap. I'm more bullish on a Ben coin than I am a Velo, to be honest with you guys. I just think there's more hype behind it. Attention is important, guys. And you got to ask yourself, is Velo really going to get attention? And if I'm being totally frank with you guys, though I'm bullish on VVS Finance and Tectonic Finance because they're one of the top two projects on Cronos, even those, guys, you have to put out the argument and the anti-case to what you're thinking. Does Tectonic and VVS get enough attention to get the volume in the next bull market? Now, maybe, because it's one of the top couple projects on Cronos. But realistically, guys, there's going to be some other tokens that might get more attention. And whether you like BitBoy or not, Bencoin might be one of those. Why? It's so dumb, but it's just because of attention, guys. Good news, bad news, news. You look at Donald Trump getting elected, bad news, good news, news. He got elected because bad news, good news, news, period. Whether you agree with it or don't agree with it, news plays, even with Biden, right? You see these different things. It's how it works in politics. It's how it works in crypto. Shiba Inu was very, very controversial. Dogecoin, very controversial. All of a sudden you get an Elon Musk tweeting about it. Bada bing, bada boom. Do you get that with a Velo? Do you get that with a Pharaoh? Probably not, but that doesn't mean that it's not going to go up, guys, because really a lot of these dApps on these chains do get some volume when the bull market comes, but you're better off in Bitcoin or Ethereum, honestly, guys. I mean, I'm not saying sell your bags for these things, but if you're taking fresh money in, you best be having the due diligence to understand that Bitcoin owns 50% of the market and Ethereum is 20% of the market. And that's a reality. And that's for a reason, guys. That's for a reason. See what we got. Icy white and rose gold more attractive now. DeFi wallet at 8.47%. Is that true, Nazar? Is that true? I'm going to look right now. I actually haven't claimed my interest on the crypto.com DeFi app in a little while. So let me just see what's going on with that real quick. And we'll give the Crow fam an update on what kind of APY we're earning over there right now. And see what we got. Looks like we're earning 8.48 APY. Okay, yep, so it's down a little bit. If you guys don't know why the APY is down at the crypto.com DeFi app for the Cronos staking right now, for the crypto.org staking, should I say, the reason being is because of the burn mechanism. So it's a trade-off. We decided, hey, let's do the burns on Cronos, right? It goes from the validators to this burn pool, and then it gets burned. We're 100 million crow coin over the next year, I think, is how many crows are going to get burned. Well, what happened was our trade-off. We lost a little bit of APY. That crow would have been coming to us, but it's good to know there's a burning mechanism for Cronos, and so I don't mind taking a little less APY so that the coins get burned to make it more deflationary. It's still inflationary, but makes it less inflationary, which is good for the coin overall. So, you know, Icy White, to your point, Nazar, great call out, man. You're on your game. I appreciate that. And the Icy White rewards are looking pretty tasty right now. So, you know, I think, what, you hit 8% right now on the Icy White or something like that? I haven't looked in a little while. So not bad. Not bad. And it's going to get better probably in the bull run. Let's see what else we got. Benny Blue Eyes, I heard they find pieces. Oh, the submarine. Yeah. Yeah, the submarine is tragic, guys. I heard they find pieces, meaning the submarine imploded. Oh, man. That's sad. That's sad. I was looking at some videos on that submarine, guys. It was like built in a backyard. It was like general technology. Like, it wasn't the most elite sub in the world. That was risky business. A couple of billionaires died on that, and that's tragic, guys. I mean, it's you know, some people are really cruel. They'd say, "Oh, they're billionaires," you know. Any life lost that's a tragedy. That's sad. I mean, maybe that guy was a little irresponsible with the construction of that. It sounded like it was a little bit of a sketchy submarine, but it is sad. And distraction, I don't think it's a distraction. I just think it's breaking news, you know. You guys remember the weather balloon? Maybe that was a distraction or whatever. The unidentified objects. Yeah, whatever happened to the unidentified objects that were flying over the United States, over Canada, Alaska? We never found out what those were. That's sketchy. That's sketchy. Benny Blue Eyes. I served on a submarine for 10 years, USS Kentucky. Wow. Hey, Benny Blue Eyes. Thank you for your service, sir. I appreciate that. To all you soldiers out there, Benny, appreciate your service. That's really cool. I met one guy that used to be in submarines, one of the coolest guys. I don't remember his last name, but his name was Paul. Very nice fella, where I graduated from college. We were in the same class together. And just one of the nicest guys. Calm, cool, collect, steady in the head. Seemed very, sane. You got to be sane to be on a submarine. Which is surprising, Benny, because you seem a little crazy. No, you're fun, man. You're fun. That's awesome. That is so cool. I mean, I can't even imagine being on a submarine. I can't even imagine being on a submarine. That'd be wild. Those were more balloons from China or maybe the U.S. just doing science. Who knows? Who knows? Yes, thank you for your service, Bennett. Paul Blue Eyes? Paul Blue Eyes. Oh, you're good, Benny. You're good. Yeah, guys, I feel bad. You know, I wish that somebody in this chat right now won the giveaway. So we'll have to do some more giveaways before 25K so that you guys can make some moolah for the loyalty. You know, we'll pick one winner. We'll keep it, it's like a little lotto. You know, you guys had a pretty good chance on that giveaway. There was only like 250 comments. Just shows you what a little attention paying will do for you. It pays off. It pays off. The balloons were propaganda. I don't know. I mean, what was the point of that? You know, what was the point of that? Let's see what else we got. 150K Crow, James Jones. Nice work. Go Ben. Some Ben coin holders. Ostrich. Yeah, I don't know how to say your name. Oh, sir, is GC. I'm a Crow holder no matter what, but I want something else. Also, if you haven't looked at Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin, not financial advice. A lot of people say that Bitcoin's too expensive. I'm just going to say I don't like to be the guy to call people stupid. I'm not calling you stupid, but I'm just saying if you're not buying Bitcoin or considering buying Bitcoin, it's a little bit dumb. It's a little bit dumb. Don't be a little dumb. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Ethereum. And then pick your altcoins. You know, that's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But I do love crypto, and I watch it every day. So, there you have it. There you have it. Jesse Zapita, how do we know if the rich people just faked their demise? Touche, Jesse. I had that thought earlier today. That could be the case. Want to get away with billions of dollars? Maybe. That's a conspiracy. Zachary Brooks, some strange person, Gadoot. I don't know. I showed it. More prizes for members? Yes, we will do more prizes for members, guys, down the road, I promise. Here you go. Just to show you guys again, in case you're just tuning in, here was the winner of the giveaway, Gadoot. Congratulations. I don't even know what NFT that is. But the quote they said was, "Another excellent show, mate. Thanks for always bringing the fire with the crypto news." There was 201 entries for the record, guys. 201 entries. If you replied, if you're a reply guy, it didn't count. If you commented, it sure did. 200 entries. You had a 1 in 200 chance, folks. That's pretty epic. It's pretty epic. Yep. There we go. Will Stopson, thanks for joining, guys. Zachary Brooks, thanks for hopping in. Gage Bange, how much money do you think BlackRock will dump into the crypto market? Let me just see. Testing. Trillions of dollars. I mean, maybe $1 trillion. I don't know. Billions. A lot of money. There's a good chance it's going to be a lot of money. Thanks, Crowfits. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Theo Duvin, giving congratulations. Y'all are kind. Metaboss says $3 trillion given in to the crypto markets from BlackRock. Could be, guys. Could be. Will Stopson won you won some Bitcoin a couple years ago on Pompliano's show. Very cool, man. Very cool. Smash up the like button, guys, if you haven't done so already. If you're on Twitter, do us a favor. Retweet the tweet. You know, we'll have to keep spreading the word, guys. Keep getting the crypto news out to the community. That stuff will be coming. Well, folks, congratulations, Gadoot. Benny Blue Eyes with another super chat. One of the most loyal companions out there. Also, one of the mods for the channel. I appreciate it. Thank you. Guys, if you ever, have questions, you just throw them in the comments, guys. This is a hangout. we did the news. We'll hang out at the end of the news until my stomach starts rumbling and I gotta go, which we're kind of getting there. I'm kind of getting hungry. But if you guys are just tuning into this live stream, just know we do 5 videos every single day. 2 of them are shorts, 3 are live, not live. 3 are longer form videos. 1 by Maxi, 2 by me. We're doing it all, folks. We're doing it all. Elias says, hey, Kip. Hello, hello. Smash that like. I see a crypto bull run with a market cap of 10 trillion. Francisco Gabriel, sir, I like where your head's at. Francisco Gabriel, you're consistently putting out these predictions in the chat that I can get behind. Maybe you're getting some of those ideas from our videos, or maybe we're just on the same wavelength. I think we're just on the same wavelength. I know you're here day in, day out, but man, yeah, I mean, 10 trillion at the low end, 20 trillion at the high end. Anything in there should be spectacular. 4, 5, 7x maybe for Bitcoin. 20, 30, 40, 50x for CRO. I really want to see a dollar CRO, folks. I really want to see a dollar CRO. All right, folks, I really appreciate all the support. I'm going to jet, folks, but don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Congratulations, Gadoot. To claim your prize, you best be hitting us up in the DMs on Twitter or in the comments on the community post I'll be putting out. And everybody else, you still get a chance if Gadoot doesn't claim his or her prize, then you still have a chance. We'll talk about it on the next live stream. But until then, guys, we will see you in the next one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. See you next time. Peace.